Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. I have Shauna here. Shauna, what do you do?
Perinatal sonographer.
So what does that mean?
That means my arm is like this all day scanning patients.
You're right. So that's one, and then you also what? You do bodybuilding, right?
I do.
Yeah. So and you do shows. How many shows have you done?
How many shows?
Yeah.
2.
2 shows. Well, hey, that's pretty good. So just real quick. So if she's going like this all day and she's turning her head this way, it's gonna have a lot of tension up here. So one thing we noticed when we did a couple of tests, her neck has gone forward a little bit, and so if her neck is going forward, she's putting a lot of pressure here. And you're getting headaches. How often would you say?
Every day.
You get headaches. She's getting headaches every day. Maybe we should do a video once the headaches all go away.
Yeah, that'd be good.
So yeah, so she gets headaches every way, and then she also has low back pain. One thing that she's noticed is the hip has rotated a little bit, so we're gonna check that. We're gonna do all the tests that we need. We already did some of the tests, and then kind of see how she does. Let's go face down for me.
Okay.
One thing we didn't do, I'm gonna do in a second. I'm gonna see that. So her hips are like this, so she's putting uneven pressure. So one hip is down, one hip, so it's like this for her. Go ahead and lift your leg, straight leg as high as you can. Good. How about this one? Good. So afterwards we'll do a check again. All right, Missy, you ready?
Yep.
And she has been adjusted a long time ago, right?
Yes.
All right. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Hello. Ooh. I knew that was gonna happen. You okay?
Yep.
Now take a deep breath. Nice. Beautiful. This side up for me, Shauna, facing me this way. So you're gonna lay on your side facing this way. Perfect. You okay?
Yep.
Forward. Good. And just like that. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Relax. Ooh. You okay?
Yep.
Same thing on this side. All right. Deep breath. All the way out. Perfect. You all right?
Yep.
Let's go face up for me. That was a lot. These are the headaches. All right, here we go. Deep breath. Oh, relax. All the way. There's one. There it is. Ooh. And what I say about, and yeah, I know, red ears. Your ears are bright red right now. So that blood just rushed up there. That's what we want.
Good.
I'm going to work on this one so we're for you. All right, Michelle, let's go face down. Let me check a couple of things for you. Beautiful. Just keep it that way. All right, go ahead and raise this leg as high as you can. Nice. How about this one? Good. All right. So yeah, if you're watching, come on in. If you have headaches and you have tightness and you're not doing what you're doing, but something similar to it, come on in and get checked. Take care.